Studying IB enabled me to focus on the subject that I love the most and I was most interested in. Also, with the internal assessments and the extended essay, gave me the possibility to discover and research different topics I was interested in.
Before taking the course, you get to select your subjects from a range of subjects, and this lets you form your path from the first day. And so by picking my subjects, I feel like what I'm studying is my choice.
I believe this is extremely important as it allows you to decide for your future if you already have an idea in your head, or otherwise to develop and to experience different subjects in order to create a vast knowledge where you can learn from in order to then specialize in university.
IB really challenges you to take your study in your hands. You're given so much more independence and it really makes you focus on what you want to do and understand if that is the right path to take.
Studying the IB has changed me by making me, I would say, a better student as a whole. I feel that definitely the depth of research that you have to do in the IB is something that will carry on at university.
I would advise other students to study IB because IB goes beyond the course itself. It helps you, it forms you to become a person that then is ready to embark on more learning journeys, for example, in university, or to continue your studies.
It's a challenge, but it's a challenge that comes at like a crucial time in your life, maybe from when you're 16 to when you're 18, and it really helps you step up. Like if you do the IB, you definitely realize that there is like really a world of opportunities out there, and by doing it at that age, you really like step forward compared to many of your peers that maybe don't do the IB. So I would definitely advise to do it to other students.